Abby Heidenreich. I'm the A&R educator in Orange County.
And today we're going to talk about how to make a rain barrel to attach to your rain gutter on a house or on a barn or a shed. Today we've selected this corner of the house because it's very easy to get to our plants in our landscape. Plus it's also a short distance to my garden in the middle of my yard. And so we've decided that this is a good place. We've checked and leveled our barrel to make sure it's going to stay in this spot for the entire season. And we're also going to be able to tear it apart and drain it and winterize that, this barrel later on this season when we're done watering plants and our garden. Now we're going to make our marks to where we put the holes. This top hole is going to be our mark to where we attach our tubing towards the gutter. And then opposite that, we're going to make a mark for our spigot and also for our drain hole. The drain hole is going to be low so that we can get most of the water out without having to tip the barrel over, because it will be quite heavy, of course, when it's full. And then our spigot line will be a little farther off and at least 6 inches above that drain line. And this is so that we can put our bucket underneath it or attach a hose that we might be able to gravity feed water out to our garden or into other areas of our landscape that isn't right here next to the barrel.
All right, so we've got the hole saw from the kit, and we've got the middle size. So there's 3 sizes of hole saws in this kit. The large one, which will be for the gutter, the middle one, which will be for the top hole, and then the small one, which will be for the spigot hole and the drain plug at the bottom. So we've got our middle size, and we're gonna just go to that top X where we marked. We're gonna drill in, and you're gonna have extra hands to hold it for safety.
And there's your top hole. Now we'll do our drain plug and our spigot plug.
All right, so we've switched to our small hole saw, and we're gonna come down and drill the spigot hole first. And then now we're gonna rotate it over and do the drain plug hole.
Now the great thing about this kit is that you don't have to have an open top to be able to put your fittings in and have everything connect and be watertight. So this is a really great kit for that option if this is the type of barrel that you purchase or are using for your rain barrel. The first fitting we use is to go in for the hose connection that will go to our drain pipe on the house. So this you'll flatten and make into a U so that it will fit into the hole. You set it into the hole, and then it will open and seal that hole on top. This is where you will connect your corrugated pipe, and it will be pulled out, and it can be moved and measured to make it work for the space on your gutter. All right, so now we'll do our drain and our spigot.
All right, so first the drain plug. We've got 2 of these gaskets for the drain plug and the spigot. They're threaded on the inside so that the spigot and the drain plug can thread into the seal. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to squeeze it and make a U shape so you can get it in the hole, and then it will expand to fill the hole. All right, so next we're going to do the spigot hole.
All right, now we've got that in, and we can attach our spigot. All right, and there you go. You've got all of your connections. Everything is watertight, and you're ready to hook up to the drain pipe and start filling your bucket. Okay, so we filled the water up past the spigot line to test to make sure that our seals are going to hold water, and we see everything's looking good. So now we're going to check to make sure everything is in working order. We've got water, and now we can drain the barrel to make sure it's cleaned, and then go and hook it back up to the drain pipe and have it start working to collect rainwater so we can water our plants all summer long. Okay, now we've got it connected to our gutter. It's at a fairly level playing field. We don't have the connection too high or too low to where the release valve back into the gutter does not work properly. It's important that that is in a position that's almost level with your hole on your barrel, so that when the barrel becomes full, water is backed back up into it and diverted back down through the gutter.